Hi guys! Ever wonder how you can extend the reach of your network from an NVR to a PTZ camera that is over 100 meters? Today we receive a case from one of our customers. So a corporate campus wishes to enhance its security infrastructure by installing a low-res PTZ camera at a remote parking lot that is 180 meters away. The remote location, however, exceeds the standard PoE distance limit, making it necessary to find a reliable solution for network extension. So in today's video, we provide a recommended solution with practical consideration, enhancing security infrastructure and provide reliable monitoring solution for various industrial and environment. And also, you can visit our solution page through the link down in the description box below to learn how you can seamlessly extend your network and explore the possibility to take your civilian to the next level. So we know the remote parking lot area is located beyond the standard PoE distance limit from the central security hub where the recorder is placed. So the biggest challenge here is the distance limitation. Also, we need to ensure a stable power supply and constant data transmission over the extended distance, since it is essential for uninterrupted civilians. So now we are in front of the demonstration board, and behind me is a connection that is similar to our customer scenario. Over here, let's pretend this is the central security hub where we place the monitor, router, and an NVR. An NVR offers extensive recording and monitoring capabilities. It supports multiple IP cameras and provides centralized control and management. And at the edge, we have the PTZ camera, and in between we have total 200 meters Cat5e Ethernet cable. So to overcome the challenge, we'll need a site assessment and planning. A comprehensive assessment of the civilian needs and the remote camera location was conducted. And also the distance, potential obstacles, and available resources should be analyzed to determine the optimal camera placement. And also, you'll need to select a PoE extender tool with appropriate power delivery capability and Ethernet signal boosting. That's why we recommend to use a PoE extender. A high-quality PoE extender is suitable for extending both power and Ethernet signal for the remote PTZ camera. And by installing this PoE extender, you can easily manage the PoE transmission limitation even at an outdoor harsh environment. So the PoE extender is IP67 waterproof rated. You can even bury it under the ground when you use the wrench to fasten up the neck and the gland. And also it can support fast Ethernet up to 100 megabit per second data transfer rate, and compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, and BT standard. Support up to 60 watts of maximum power output. And you don't need to configure, offer plug and play easy installation. But then you need to add this 90 watt PoE injector. It can inject about 90 watts of power to the edge device and provide power to high power devices such as the PTZ camera. So by integrating the 90 watt PoE injector into the setup, you can effectively meet the power requirement of the PTZ and simplify the installation by eliminating the needs for additional power cables, reducing clutter and minimizing setup time. And the PoE extender is strategically placing between the NVR and the PTZ camera. And also we have the high quality Ethernet cable were used for reliable data transmission. Power and data connection were established between the camera, extender, and the recorder. So now let's do the connection together. So first we'll need a short patch cord to connect the router to the NVR, and it's already connected to the monitor so we can display video footage from the PTZ camera. And next I'm going to use another Ethernet cable to connect the router to this 90 watts PoE injector. And you can see it has a special mounting tool so you can mount it on a din wheel wherever you want. and it's already been powered up. We can see the indicator light is on. We have data input port and the PoE output port. Connect the router to the data input port. Plug it in here. And then PoE output port, we are going to use the 100 meters Ethernet cable. Let's plug it in and mount it back on the DIN rail. It's pretty handy. So this is a 100 meters Cat6, and in between we have the PoE extender. And for easy installation, I already took out the neck and the gland, and it also has a special mounting tool. You can take it out just like this and mount it back wherever you want. And this is the input port and the output port. Let's plug it, the input port from the data. Let's plug it in here. And this is the output port. Let's plug it in and mount it back on the DIN rail. And here's another 100 meters, so we have 200 meters in total. Plug it into the PTZ camera, utilizing the PoE technology, which allows both power and data to be transmitted over a single Ethernet cable. Let's give it a second for the PTZ camera to work. And I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So the whole connection is done. So now we have a successful extension of the network reach to the remote parking lot, overcoming the distance limitation and provide high definition video streaming and reliable control of the high power PTZ camera from the central security hub. The optimal utilization of the PoE extender solution, which amplify both power and the Ethernet signal, ensuring a robust network connection. And if you require an even longer distance, there's a solution that can achieve up to 1,000 feet between two PoE extender, and you can watch the video right here. Thank you very much for watching us, and I will see you next time.